For all the business owners out there or the new entrepreneurs out there who are looking to launch a business or maybe have already started, then this is an excellent time of year to make sure you have all of your pieces in place. We work with a lot of people who were employed, decided they can do it on their own. They go out, become self employed, they get a DBA, an assumed name, and they start working and they start doing what they're doing, running a business, opening a business, securing websites, hiring people. And we definitely help people go from what I would call a sole proprietorship. This is just someone who is, it's like me being in business, even if I have an EIN number or I went out and filed a DBA or an assumed name with the county, I have no real protection as a sole proprietor. Maybe it's a good time to meet, sit down, figure out if an LLC may be better suited. If there are multiple partners, maybe individual LLCs and a joint venture LLC, maybe a traditional corporation where there are stocks, shareholders, board members. That might be more appropriate for what you're doing and what you're looking to achieve. And everything begins with the end in mind. Where do you want to go? Where do you see yourself in a year, 3 years, 5 years? What's your plan? Those considerations make in great part the decisions of today. How do we set you up? What are the documents that we need to make sure you're protected fully, both from a legal standpoint, liability standpoint, management standpoint, succession standpoint, tax standpoint? There are significant tax advantages to utilizing an LLC or a corporation. And then getting even more detailed, working with our clients' accountants and CPAs to make the right elections, whether a sub S election is appropriate for you or your company. But setting it up couldn't be more important. Your organizational documents are the foundation upon which your business is being built. Make sure it's sound and solid so that what you're building will last long after you. It is legacy really that you're building. And we love everything about helping new business owners and entrepreneurs succeed. We love putting people in a position for success. And that's what we do here at Abraham Law. Give us a call. We'll be happy to sit down with you, sit down, write out the strategy, and help you get where you want to go, especially in this Happy New Year.